how to eat pasta. wait, hold on. Let me show you how to eat pasta.
That's a good pizza.
Open your mouth. Put this in.
How big? Open your mouth.
Tutorial.
These are the chefs. What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Good food.
Oh,
Yum yum.
I need to get a buddy for it. I want a pizza too.
What's up?
Yeah.
You have to have beard too, see?
These balls are delicious.
Those balls are delicious, she says.
And these sausages too. Listen to it. I'm deciding whether to get the large balls or the small balls.